Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, I changed the chart over to the Tether chart instead of USD as I had it before. The reason is that the microstructures, you could just not recognize them on the USD chart. I don't know if it was related to, I don't know, data issues or just low volume when we talk about USD. So the USDT chart is much clearer. When we talk about the microstructures, that was not so important in the last few months, but it's getting much more important now, given that we are now trying to move up. Okay, so I made you aware of that breakout that was potentially coming a couple of days ago already. We had a very clear breakout point, which was here at 1.63 cents. Made you aware before the breakout that we have to expect something like that. We also broke out of a trend line that we had here on the chart. So all of that was helpful, hopefully, for some of you. The idea is now that the price could at least move up in a corrective ABC structure. So this A wave is likely still unfolding. So the challenge with an A wave is, and that's going to be the challenge with a structure, the A wave could be a 3-wave move. It can also be a 5-wave move. So that's going to be challenging. So if we see a dip in between, it could just be a B wave followed by a C wave to complete wave A. So, and you don't know if an A wave is a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. If it's a 3-wave move, we would see something like that, A, B, C. I would assume that this is what's going to happen because A waves are often 3-wave structures and GALA likes to move in 3-wave structures as well. So that means at some point we need to be watching for a B wave pullback. That hasn't shown yet. If it shows, we should talk about what is support. So if the B wave shows, then whatever GALA is doing, it should not break below the 78.6 fib retracement. It doesn't need to come down that low, but as long as it's holding that, we can focus on higher. And that level is the 1.327 cent level. At the moment, maybe the B wave has started. It's very hard to recognize still, you know, doing micro counting here. It's just, you just don't have enough price data really to make it a very reliable wave count, you know, talking about 1-hour charts, micro counting. It doesn't really give you any benefit, okay? So this move up looks like a 3-wave move. It doesn't look impulsive, or at least one more high would be missing. But nevertheless, we need to be prepared for a deeper pullback potentially. That hasn't shown yet, okay? If it happens, yeah, we had a bit of a rejection there. I mean, today the price moved all the way up to 2 cents. Then, you know, any pullback could be used, if you want to trade this, could be used to scale in potentially into positions. Just be aware that, oh, 1 second, I just noticed that the support I mentioned to you was not the correct one. The correct support is 1.39 cents. We don't want a sustained break below the 78.6 fib level. Now, in the previous video, I made you aware of a key resistance level, the next level to watch after the breakout, and that was the 2 cent level. That level has been reached. So here we had a pretty obvious one. And I mean, yeah, we are now there. And now what it does, what it could be doing is maybe a B wave. B waves can be shallow. So let's add the 38.2 fib level, which was nearly reached already here. But if we get a bit more of a substantial B wave, then this could act again as a bit of a breakout pattern here. Either way, that is the next level to cross before the price could get to this next level here, which is around 2.6 cents. So that will be the next level to watch. We just take it level by level. Micro counting doesn't make much sense here. If this is an A wave, we should get an A, B, C structure. I would say either the A wave is in or it will be in after the next high. We'll see. If the next pullback shows, I will indicate support again. This support area needs to move up together with the price, obviously, okay? And it will always be the 78.6 fib level that we want the price to hold. And then it should move higher. And as soon as we see the first deeper pullback here in yellow wave B, then we can calculate a target for wave C. So overall, in this wave 2, key resistance will start at 6.1 cents, but it could escalate quite high, potentially all the way up to 33, 34 cents. If we get a break above that level, then we talk about, okay, new all-time highs might be coming, but we're not there at this stage. So good performance, currently just a pullback. We see all altcoins currently pulling back a little. That's not a problem. That's quite good. A lot of people were waiting for some pullbacks, especially after a big move. Very important to understand as well that it's not yet guaranteed that we move much higher. It's still a very fragile structure, but hopefully that's come across also in my Bitcoin videos. So it will be the first deeper pullback that will tell us the truth. And that support here of that first deeper pullback is 1.39 cents. Yeah, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.